Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. So if you've been keeping up with me, then you know that streams are live and going on. There's no official schedule yet, but turn those post notifications on so you know what's up and whenever I'm streaming. So I decided with that, why don't I do a video on streaming tools and supplies you might need to start your own stream? So the first thing you have to ask yourself is, what kind of game am I going to stream? Is it going to be a PC game or maybe a console? So if you're streaming on a console, like the Xbox One or Nintendo Switch, you need an extra piece of hardware. And that piece of hardware is called a capture card. So the one that I have is the Elgato 4K 60 Pro. It's very simple. The in port is in from the console and the out port goes out to your monitor. And then the capture card itself plugs directly into the PC through a PCIe slot. After you get your capture card installed, you're going to need the drivers that go along with it. So on the Elgato website, there's the 4K capture utility software. And what that is an interface to utilize your capture card. It looks a little bit like this. It's got more options in their menus. And if you guys do want a full tutorial on the capture utility, I can do that as well. Just drop that in the comments and I'll take care of that for you. But these are a couple of the menus that are included, like the preferences, the different kinds of video settings and whatnot. But basically you just plug in your console and you start playing. So even without streaming, utilizing a capture card is worth it because you can play your consoles right on your computer monitor. So you can full screen it as well, so you don't see like the borders of the capture utility, and it basically is like you're playing on a TV. There's the Xbox as well. You can also use this to record your clips and stuff like that you have on console, which is really cool. So another thing you'll need when you're streaming is a microphone. Now you can use a headset microphone, a USB microphone, or an XLR. So the microphone that I use is the Audio-Technica 2020. So I will link all the products that I've used in this video in the description below, but understand that if you do get an XLR microphone, you will also need an audio interface, which is a separate component that allows the XLR microphone to work. So while not completely necessary, a lot of streamers use face cams to record themselves while they're streaming their games. There's a lot of different options for web cameras and things like that to use, but there is another option. Probably what you're using right now to watch this video is your cell phone. So there's an app on the Apple and Google Play stores called ePodcam, which basically just allows you to turn your cell phone into a webcam. So the app is $8.99, but it is a lot less than the $20 webcam that's going to give you less than half the quality of what your cell phone camera could. So after you get the ePodcam app, you have to download some software for that as well. So you're going to download Camera Hub from the Elgato website. After you install and open up the software, you get this interface that's shown right on the screen now. And then once you connect your phone to it, this is what you get. So I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is what the camera quality is. I'm actually filming this video with the same camera. So once you get into the aspects of cameras, also you're gonna have to worry about lighting. So lighting can make a huge difference when it comes to how you look and how the camera quality affects you. So there's different options for lights, like this ring light, or even going with like a panel light as shown in the back. I picked up this LED lighting kit on Amazon for about 50 bucks. So it has a lot of different lighting modes, including a warm light, a cold light, and a mix between the two of them. So I used the small rig desk arms in order to hold my lights up on my desk. They're completely adjustable, so you can increase and decrease the height of them, as well as a swivel on the top so you can adjust the position of your lights in your camera. So now you've got all the tools you need to stream. But then, how do you start your stream? So there's a lot of different ways to do it, but a simple software that you can download to stream is called Streamlabs. So Streamlabs is completely free to use, and it lets you go live on things like Twitter, Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, and even TikTok. So the only thing is you can only stream on one platform at a time, unless you pay for Streamlabs Pro, which allows you to go live on multiple platforms at once. So this is the Streamlabs software. I'm actually recording this video with the Streamlabs software right now. There's a lot of cool features with this software that you can use, including streaming overlays that you can get right from their store. So that's basically everything you need to start your own stream. If you guys are still with me, thanks for watching the whole video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.